Hi, Tim here from Car Buyer's Guide, and today we're going to give you some top tips to ensure you get the most mileage for your money. Remove excess weight. We're all guilty of leaving our stuff in the boot of the car. Carrying unnecessary weight forces your vehicle to work harder than needs be. Similarly, if you only make short journeys when you drive, limit the amount of fuel you top up by. A full tank would only add more weight and hinder fuel efficiency. Plan your route. By simply planning your journey ahead of time, you can save on fuel. Try to make one round trip instead of several short trips and avoid traffic black spots if you can. Drive smoothly. Be gentle while driving and try to change up to a higher gear as soon as possible. As a general rule, change up before 2000 RPM in a diesel and 2500 RPM in a petrol. Read the road. Use gravity to your advantage. Build up momentum while going downhill to assist you in getting uphill. Easing off the throttle and keeping momentum is better than speeding up, braking, and then starting all over again. So, really hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see the full article regarding saving money on fuel, the link is in the description. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.